Hello, boys and girls. How are you? My name is Maral Ualihановна. I work as an English teacher at Жаңатілеу Secondary School. What can you see in this picture? Sand, bird, sandcastle, sky. Great, okay. And how do you think? What is the theme of our lesson? Summer holidays? Maybe. What else? Beach? Okay, you are right, learners. The theme of our lesson is a beach story. And today we should watch a video about the story on the beach and do the tasks based on the video. Let's watch a video. While watching a video, you should pay attention to new words. Okay, let's start watching a video.
I love playing at the beach. So do I. I love playing with the sand. Let's put some shells on the sandcastle. Here's a nice shell. Thanks. Look, 3 white shells. Put them here, here, and here. Okay, what else? Mouse and frog. Okay, mouse and frog can live in the sandcastle. Come, Jill, let's get some water from the sea. Look, a fish. Put the fish back into the sea. There, well done. One more thing, Kim. Yes, your duck. Look, Duck likes the beach. And she likes swimming in the sea.
Let's repeat new words after me. Shell, shell, frog, frog, beach, beach, duck, duck, mouse, mouse, fish, fish. Task number 1. Work with the words from the video. Match the words with the pictures. Shell, mouse, duck, fish, frog, and beach. You have only 1 minute to do this task. Okay, learners, have you finished? Let's check your answers. First, shell. Second, beach. Third, duck. Fourth, frog. Fifth, mouse. And 6, fish. Good job, learners. Let's do the next task. Task number 2. Write a words with missing letters. Let's start. Have you finished, learners? Okay, let's check your answers. The beach, letter E and A. A red fish, letter I. A yellow sand, letter A. A white shell, letter E. Okay, good job, learners. The next task. Task number 3. Use keywords and complete the sentences. Then read them. Let's start. Okay, learners, let's check your answers. Kim and Jill are at the beach. They are playing with the sand. There is a shell on the sandcastle. A frog and a mouse live in the sandcastle. Okay, learners, good job. Your home task: draw your sandcastle and describe them. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, learners.